Hello YouTube. I got a special announcement. The first film of the Minion Fan 1024 Studios is coming to the special edition for the first time. Woodpecker Racing. It's coming soon with the new scenes featuring the songs with restored voices, and with the special edition, his director, well, I'll guess who decided to choose. And so the comments and subscribe, and also I will replace the old scenes to the brand new scenes, and I'm going to edit it as a new scene looks. And this is Minion Fan 1024 signing off.